好, I'm Susie the Phoenix. First of all, I want to congratulate you for getting this far with HSK exams. Thank you for watching my videos, which give me encouragement to make similar levels. In this writing series, I will explain grammar points and the key vocabulary in HSK 4, mention about common mistakes, and hopefully the color-coded translation will help you with your understanding. There are 10 questions in this video. This is question 1 to 5. Please pause to have a go yourself and then come back to check your answers. Number 1. 羡慕 to envy. Here is a verb. In this sentence, 他羡慕人, so he envies people. What sort of people? He is people who can dance. Here, 会跳舞的 is modifying the people, giving extra information about this people. So it could be people who can write Chinese, 会写汉字的人 people can speak Chinese, 会说汉语的人 or people drive fast car, 开跑车的人 Okay, so in this sentence, 他很羡慕会跳舞的人 He envies people who can dance. 衬衣 is okay, it's easy, just shirt. 换 to change, to exchange to something new or different. 最好 here is the best, but in the sentence, see, it would be better, so give suggestions, make it softer sentence. 你最好换一件衬衣 So to change into a different shirt. 你最好换一件衬衣 It would be better if you change into a different shirt. 请假 to ask for a holiday, to ask a day's leave. 原因 the reason. 没人知道经理昨天请假的原因 Nobody knew the reason for the manager's absence yesterday. 两 So look like 两 isn't like two. It is meaning two. 他们俩 them two. Different to 都 the way we use those differently. Here, 他们俩今天没参加考试 If it says 都他们今天都没参加考试 So 两 and 都 also means two or both, but doesn't use the same way. Another problem sometimes is 今天的考试 is today's exam. Some people might say 他们俩今天没参加今天的考试 That was a 的 was today's exams. In his sentence is no 的。送 in here is give it to, give something to somebody. And the other meaning was 送 to take. 送我去机场 take me to the airport. But here is give it to him. 把 is another one, a funny structure. Usually used for an objective hasn't got action. For example, here I mean by objective here is I gave the bike to him, isn't it? So 自行车 is a objective, can't give it to somebody. You have to give this bike a action. So in that sort of situation, you need 把那辆自行车送给他 Okay, to give this objective action. For example, open the door. The door is objective, is a noun. You can't move, so you have to go and close it. Okay, so 把门关上 and pass me that book. Again, the book can't move, so 把书拿给我 So 把 objective, then action. 我把那辆自行车送给他了 I gave that bike to him. This is question 6 to 10. Again, please pause and have a go yourself. Okay, number 6. 幽默 humorous. 幽默的人 the people who has humor, who are humorous. Okay, like earlier we mentioned, so what sort of people? The modifying the people give extra information about the people. 交到 to make friends. 交到朋友 to make friends. Here, 交 is to make, but 到 gives you that sense of already befriended with some friends. Past tense indication. 更容易 easier, more easily. 幽默的人更容易交到朋友. People who are humorous make friends more easily. 跟 is and or with. 联系 to contact. Here 还有联系吗? Still keeping contact? Okay, the subject here, 你跟你大学同学 is the whole subject. 有联系 Okay, 还有联系吗? 你跟你大学同学还有联系吗? Do you still keep contact with your university classmates? 检查 the verb to check. 重新 you have to pay attention to this 重 is not 重. 重要 we had before is important. Okay, 重新 is do something again or redo something. You should go before a verb. 重新检查 so recheck. 你最好重新检查一下. It would be better if you would check it again. Okay, check it again. 之间 is in between. 你和我之间 between you and me. 理解 to understand. 互相理解 understand each other. 互相帮助 help each other. 互相吸引 to attract to each other. 朋友之间要互相理解. It needs common understanding between friends. 叔叔 uncle. Pay. The key meaning is to accompany somebody to go somewhere. But this underlying meaning, you pay somebody to go somewhere, it might feel more helpful. 我打算陪叔叔去长城看看. I'm planning to visit the Great Wall with my uncle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave some comment below. It'll be much appreciated. And check out my other videos. 谢谢，再见。